In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize tables in your documents using various formatting tools. Tables are a powerful way to organize information, and making them visually appealing can significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your documents. To start, click inside the table you wish to modify. Doing this will activate the Table Tools contextual tabs, which you'll notice appearing at the top of your screen. These consist of two tabs, Design and Layout. Today, we're focusing on the Design tab, which, in some applications, might simply be labeled as Table Design. This specialized tab opens up a range of options for you to stylize your table exactly how you like it. Let's dive into changing the background color of your table cells. To achieve this, remain on the Table Tools Design tab and find the Shading drop-down menu. The shading option, resembling a paint bucket icon, allows you to fill selected cells with color. You have the choice between theme colors and standard colors. Both offer a rich palette of colors to choose from. And if you don't find exactly what you're looking for, there's a More Fill Colors option. Here, you're able to refine your color selection even further. This function works beautifully whether you want to adjust the color of individual cells, entire rows, columns, or the whole table. Just ensure you select the area you want to modify before you apply the color. For those looking to refine the table's borders, you'll also find relevant options under the Table Design tab. Look for borders, or it may be labeled as border styles depending on your software. Here, you can choose the line style, color, and weight that suits your document style. Enhancing table borders can further unify your table's appearance with the rest of your document. Now, let's explore how to apply built-in table styles. These styles are integrated themes that cover various design elements like banding and header row coloring. Within the Table Tools Design tab, you'll notice a gallery of table styles. Click on the More arrow to reveal all available styles. Take your time to browse through these options and select one that complements your document. Should you desire alternate row colors or specific formatting, such as banded rows, the table style options offer this functionality as well. Once your table is selected, check for options like header row, banded rows, or first column under the Table Design tab. These options allow you to apply or customize styles so that banded rows display according to your chosen colors or patterns. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel empowered to creatively adjust the appearance of any table in your documents, ensuring each piece of information is presented clearly and attractively. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll enjoy experimenting with these design tools to create tables that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing.